Bent geometry describes a molecular shape where the angle between chemical bonds is less than 180 degrees. This V-shaped geometry is important for understanding certain molecules, especially those where the central atom has lone pairs of electrons that push the bonded atoms closer together. In chemistry, bent geometry refers to molecules that do not form straight lines, but instead have angles less than 180 degrees between bonds. These molecules have an angular or V-shaped configuration, rather than being linear. A very well-known example of bent geometry is water, with the chemical formula H2O. The two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom form an angle of 104.5 degrees. The molecule is not straight, but bent, giving water many of its unique properties. Water bends because the oxygen atom has two pairs of electrons, called lone pairs, that are not shared with hydrogen. Along with the two bonding pairs, these lone pairs take up space and create a repulsive force. This force pushes the hydrogen atoms closer together, resulting in a bent structure instead of a straight line. The lone pairs of electrons on the central atom repel the bonding pairs more strongly than the bonded atoms repel each other. This greater repulsion caused by the lone pairs pushes the hydrogen atoms towards each other, decreasing the bond angle and making the molecule bent in shape. If we imagine there are 4 regions of electron density around the central atom, such as in a tetrahedral arrangement, the expected bond angle would be 109.5 degrees. However, because lone pairs push harder, the actual angle in water is compressed to 104.5 degrees. Bent geometry is found in other molecules as well. For example, hydrogen sulfide, with the formula H2S, has a bond angle of 92 degrees. Sulfur dioxide, so too, has an angle of 119 degrees. Ozone, O3, has an angle of 117 degrees. All these examples show bent geometries due to lone pairs on the central atom. Bent geometry means the molecule's bond angle is less than 180 degrees. This shape is caused by repulsion from lone pairs of electrons on the central atom, which forces the bonded atoms closer together, creating a V-shaped structure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.